Hello everyone, greetings of the day. In this video, I am going to explain the isometric projection of combination of solids. Here there are two solids. One is a hemisphere, one more is a cone. See the question. A hemisphere diameter 70 mm is placed on the ground on its curved surface. Full stop. A cone has base diameter 70 mm and height 70 mm placed centrally on it. Full stop. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. Okay, I'm starting with drawing the straight line in the isometric sheet. Very first, I'm constructing a box of 70 mm of very thin lines. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh means seven boxes. Very thin line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. One more seven boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Seven boxes. One more seven boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Very thin lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Seven boxes. Okay, I want to find its midpoint of the face. Okay, this is the midpoint of the top face. Now the diameter is given 70 mm, its off is 35 mm. Now I want to find its off. I want to draw a line of 35 mm. This is up to here 5, 10, 20, 30. Okay, draw this line as 35 mm. 1 2 3 5. Now I want to draw a box of 70 mm, means here 35, here 35. First box, second box, third box, then 5. 1 2 3. No, 1 2 3, 3.5. Here also 3.5. 1 2 3 here to here 3.5. I place the mark here like this. Here also 3.5 means the 3 box and off box. First, second, third off box like this. Little mark. From this point, first, second, third, 3.5. I place the mark. I draw the 70 mm line parallel to this. This is 1, 2, 3, 3.5. This 3.5 box. This is first box, second box, third box, 3.5 box. It's totally 70 mm. Draw a line of length 70 mm means seven boxes parallel to this line. After is 5 mm. This is 15 mm, 25 mm, 35 mm. This up to here means totally 70 mm means 7 boxes. Parallel to this line, draw a line of 70 mm means 7 boxes. Here to here is 5 mm. Up to here 3.5 boxes means 35 mm. Then one more 35 mm is 3 box and half box. This is up to here is 70 mm. Then connect the line from this point up to this point means 70 mm. Box is over. Now I had to draw a line from this corner up to the opposite side up to this point. Then the same way from this corner up to this mid of the opposite side. From this corner to opposite side mid. From this corner opposite side mid. Now I had to draw a ellipse. Take the compass, measure a distance from this point up to here, draw a arc of very thick format up to here, so it is connected. In the same sense, place the needle point here. Okay, from this point up to here, draw a thick arc, then complete the arc like this from measuring this point to this point. This is a third curve. Then take the distance from this intersection of the two lines from this point up to here. Now I got the base of, if you want to complete, draw a arc from this point, from this mid of this ellipse to end of this ellipse. Draw a thick curve up to this periphery of the ellipse so that the hemisphere is completed. But in the question, the top of the hemisphere, the cone is placed at a height of 70 mm. From this mid of the top face of hemisphere, this is the mid of the hemisphere. From this point, draw a line of central axis of length 70 mm, means 7 boxes. This is first box, second box, third box, fourth box, fifth box, sixth box, and seventh box. The height of cone is 70 mm is over. Now I had to connect the tip of the point to the periphery of the hemisphere. See, visible edges are this one. Visible edges, write very thick lines. Then this one, this inner side of the hemisphere is not visible. Now you have to draw a visible edges of the cone. This is a visible edges. This is a visible edges. This curved part of the hemisphere is visible up to here. Then show 30° on both sides. Now this is a hemisphere. The top face of hemisphere, we placed a cone of height 70 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This completes the isometric combination of two solids. Thank you.